What's your favorite cocktail? Well, we have a fresh and fruity treat for you today. Introducing the WatsRam Pom-Pine cocktail. Did you know pomegranate is classified as a berry? And it's loaded with antioxidants that exceed red wine and green tea? The flavor is tangy and sweet at the same time. The color is a tantalizing red. We're going to use a fresh pomegranate as our main feature for this amazing cocktail. The first step is to remove the seeds, and then we'll juice it. Choose a large pomegranate with skin that is a deep red color. Use a kitchen knife and gently cut along the middle of the pomegranate. You will feel the thickness of the skin as you cut around it. Try not to cut through the entire fruit to avoid cutting open the seeds within. Now with your hands, open the pomegranate so you have separated the halves. Wow, take a look at the color of the seeds. There are about 100 edible seeds inside a pomegranate. You will need a wide bowl for the seeds you extract. Take a half of the pomegranate, hold face down in the palm of your hand, and use a hard metal object to pound along the outside of the skin. The tapping movement will help the seeds separate from the membrane that holds the seeds inside like a labyrinth. The seeds will fall into the bowl. Continue with a tapping motion around the pomegranate skin until most of the seeds are extracted. Look at the vibrancy of the color. Each seed is covered by a red fleshy pulp called an aril. The arils look like jewels. The seeds are loaded with antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Now remove the remaining seeds with your hand and discard the skin. All right, everyone, we're ready to make our delicious cocktail. Pomegranates are tangy and flavorful and are in season during the fall, which makes for the perfect holiday drink. First, you'll need half a pomegranate, about a cup, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup filtered water, 3 tablespoons simple syrup, 1 lime, 2 shots of spiced rum, and a cocktail shaker. This quantity will yield 2 drinks. Now we'll add a cup of water to the blender, along with a cup of pomegranate, and blend. You'll strain the juice in a small strainer to extract the seeds from the juice. Now add the juice to the blender along with pineapple and blend until smooth. Pour in the blended pomegranate and pineapple juice. Add the simple syrup and 2 shots of spiced rum. Now shake away. Add lime to the glasses and pour. Cheers!